the project requirements have been defined, the planning team, Sophie and Jason, can begin to define the work that needs to be completed. Rather than viewing the product launch as one large effort, Sophie breaks the project into smaller chunks of work to make it easier to define and manage. Building on the work already completed, i.e. the business case, project charter, and project requirements documents, and their past experience in other projects, Sophie and Jason decide that they will need to support the trade shows through the creation of signage, a demo, a product sheet, and possibly some branded items to give away at the booths. In the area of media and industry relations, a press release will be created and an outreach to the blogger community will be performed. There are also a number of promotional items that will need to be produced, including website updates, social media, and the new video. Sophie and Jason identify that one of the requirements is to deliver and display the new materials at the trade shows. After some consideration and discussion with the project sponsor and other stakeholders, they decide that the project team will not perform this requirement, but instead, the marketing department trade show team will be given the necessary materials before the events. From this discussion, Sophie decides that there are 3 main categories of work for the project and writes the following on a notepad. 1. Trade show support. 2. Communications. 3. Promotional video. She then breaks down each category as follows. 1. Trade show support. 1.1. Trade show signage. 1.2. Booth giveaways. 1.3. Multimedia demo. 2. Communications. 2.1 press release, 2.2 media outreach, 2.3 social media, 2.4 website updates, 3 promotional video. Looking at this list, Sophie feels a sense of relief. The product launch is large and complex, and she wasn't quite sure where to start. But by breaking the project down into smaller chunks of work, she now sees the project as a series of 8 smaller, simpler sub-projects.